Hey guys, it's Omar with Side Hustle Exploration. Today we're going to be talking about how to get to a level 1 seller on Fiverr. As a new seller, you're probably asking, how long is it going to take me to get to a level 1? Will I be able to get to a level 1 in time? How am I going to make my first dollar on Fiverr? Well, the process can be long and it can also be extremely quick to reaching that level 1 seller. But there are a few things that you need to be aware of when selling on Fiverr. The first thing is be careful with how you provide your services to your potential client. Make sure that the services you give is exceeding their expectations, meeting and exceeding their expectations, so that you do not get a possibility of a cancellation, because cancellations equals a red mark against your Fiverr account, therefore bringing you down in terms of your requirements as a seller on Fiverr. Maintain your good standing when it comes to the service you provide to your customer. Make sure that you are above and beyond for your client, and that you are responding to them at a reasonable time, either whether they are a client that is looking to possibly work with you or an actual active client. It is the best rule of thumb is to, as soon as they get to you, reach back out to them. Similarly, when you are the first person, or if a person is sending you a message on Fiverr, it is wise of you to respond back as soon as you can, because literally they probably sent that same message to a few other Fiverr sellers, and therefore if you can get to them sooner, perhaps that'll increase you reaching the amount of people that you need in order to get to the next level, that level 1 seller on Fiverr. When it comes to getting your first review, consider utilizing family and friends, coworkers, and other people that you have in your circle, so that you can start getting that clock rolling, that ball moving, that momentum going when it comes to having some social proof build up. Because once you have that, then you can have other people possibly look at you as a viable option for why I should purchase as a customer from you specifically. So if you found this video to be helpful, to be useful, make sure to like this video and share it with someone who can benefit from it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, hey, thank you for coming back and joining me here at Side Hustle Exploration. Once again, it's Omara signing off. See you guys later.